Hi, I'm Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today I thought we'd do a tutorial on false bottom tart pans and cake pans. So how many of you have ever gone and been asked by your friend to make your famous cheesecake? And this is a spring form pan, right? So it's got the false bottom, right? And you make your wonderful cheesecake, you give it to your friend Dolores, and you go home, and then weeks later you want to make your cheesecake again and you forgot it. So Dolores has forgotten it, maybe she threw it out, and you may never get it back. So we're gonna figure out how to make something that you can give your friend and you don't need it back, all right? So look at this beautiful false bottom tart pan. It'll work for this too. Anything where there's a false bottom. So this is what I'm gonna do. You can get these cake circles, they're cardboard cake circles in any size. And you're gonna get one approximately the size. This is a 10-inch diameter false bottom, this is a false bottom tart pan, but you're gonna take this bottom, take a cake circle that is slightly larger than it, take a pen or a pencil, and you can even do it this way, upside down, so the portion of the pencil is not gonna be going into your food. And you're going to just be guiding and cutting and sort of drawing where that actual bottom ends. And then we're going to cut it. So we're going to fit the cake circle to that false bottom shell around it. And you can do this with your springform pans as well. This way, you won't have to ask your friend Dolores for that bottom back, okay? Because what good is the pan without the bottom? I actually worked in a restaurant once where they had no bottoms, but they had a lot of springform pans. So I was doing this a lot. And if it doesn't fit perfectly in the beginning, you can always trim it. So this is a perfect fit. And if you want, while you're baking your particular tart or cake or cheesecake, you can actually keep this in here, put this on top. You don't even have to coat it with anything. You don't even have to put tin foil over it or aluminum foil over it, and just leave it. Put your dough in here, bake it off, and then when you're ready, you know how these work. You push it out, and you just slide this off with your tart, and you have it. And you can give it to your friend, bring it to that family reunion, and you don't have to worry. So that's my tip, that's my tutorial. So for more recipes and videos, go to gailsokol.com.